I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a minimalist diptych. As you will see, it didn't go as planned, but that's totally fine. So I wanted to create, like I said, a minimalist diptych, but wanted to have some movement in there and connection between the two paintings. So the color I'll be using is dark cobalt violet hue by Pebeo, iridescent neon pink by Loft, Prussian blue by Amsterdam, iridescent gold by Pebeo, and iridescent green blue by Pebeo as well. And all the white you'll see is white by Daler and Roney. I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel to follow my art journey and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Now it's time for me to let you enjoy watching this new painting come to life. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.